Welcome back to Cars Jade. Today, we're diving into the exciting rumors surrounding the 2026 Honda Pilot. While Honda has kept official details under wraps, we gathered some intriguing speculations and insights from the previous model that hint at what might be in store for this popular SUV. Let's get into it. The automotive world is abuzz with rumors about the upcoming 2026 Honda Pilot. Although Honda has yet to officially reveal details, industry insiders and enthusiasts are speculating about several exciting updates and features that could make this SUV a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, it's rumored that the 2026 Pilot will sport a bold new design. The front fascia could feature a redesigned grille and sleeker LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive and sophisticated look. The rear might also see updates with new LED taillights and a refined bumper design. Additionally, Honda might introduce new wheel designs and a range of fresh color options to enhance its visual appeal. Inside, the 2026 Pilot's interior is expected to receive significant upgrades aimed at providing more comfort and convenience. Drawing from the 2025 model, the cabin will likely remain spacious, with premium materials and finishes throughout. The dashboard could include a larger, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, similar to the 2025 Pilot's offerings. More USB ports and wireless charging capabilities might be added to keep all your devices powered on the go. The seating configuration is likely to remain flexible, accommodating up to 8 passengers with ample legroom and cargo space. When it comes to performance, rumors suggest that the 2026 Pilot will feature a refined V6 engine, delivering robust power and smooth acceleration. The 2025 Pilot's 3.5-liter V6 engine made 285 horsepower and was mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, a setup that could carry over to the new model. Honda might also improve the Pilot's fuel efficiency through advanced engineering and aerodynamics. For those seeking adventure, an optional all-wheel drive system with enhanced off-road capabilities might be offered, ensuring readiness for any terrain. In the technology department, the 2026 Pilot is expected to excel. The infotainment system could be intuitive and user-friendly, featuring updated graphics and faster response times. Drawing from the 2025 model's Honda Sensing Suite, it's anticipated that Honda will include its latest suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. This might include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and a new 360-degree camera system providing a comprehensive view of the surroundings. Additionally, a head-up display and a premium audio system could be part of the package for an elevated driving experience. Reflecting on the 2025 model, the Pilot's cabin is designed with family use in mind. Most trims can seat up to 8 across 3 rows of seats, with second-row captain's chairs optional on the EXL trim and standard on the Trail Sport. The 2025 Touring and Elite models feature a second-row seat design where the middle seat section could be removed and stored under the floor and the cargo area when not needed. The 2026 Pilot is expected to continue offering such versatile and family-friendly features. As for pricing and availability, the 2026 Honda Pilot is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025. While official pricing remains unknown, it's anticipated to start around $38,000 for the base model, going up to $50,000 for the fully loaded version. Honda will likely continue offering competitive warranties and maintenance packages to ensure peace of mind for all Pilot owners. That's all for today's rumor roundup on the 2026 Honda Pilot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Cars Jade for more updates on the latest automotive news and rumors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.